input will be focused in those areas, but all this information must come from yourselves. So I want to encourage you that you must continue ensuring that there's enhanced information gathering and the timely sharing of this information. I'm happy to note that out of the 121 automated weather stations which were procured with the assistance of funding from the World Bank, 10 of those came to this region. This is a good thing because this is one of our big provinces and our big area of focus. So it's good that you had a share of this. I want to mention to you that we are not just stopping at this. We are proceeding to ensure that we look for more funds and procure more automated weather stations so that we can enhance your operations. I'm also happy that within your areas of operation, you are helping with the aviation safety, because in there you are the ones that are providing information in terms of maybe winds movement, which would result in air turbulence. So each time we are flying, the pilots are giving us the anticipation that, you know, from here we're going to fly within 1 hour, and this is the weather outlook, and all this information is coming from yourselves. So you sit on that plane, you think this is just the pilot gathering information, but the information is being fed to the air crew from people that are collecting this data. But in there, you are also enhancing safety of the passengers. Issues of visibility, you are able to check and see that at this point the visibility, will be poor, will be like this. Then they can plan their flights. In certain jurisdictions, you even have ice, forming on the runway, and using your expertise, you are able to see that from this time and this time we expect that this part of a state we're going to have